Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least tried it out, try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money and be better drivers, and also we talk about other side hustles as well. So in today's video, I'm going to explore basically, I'm gonna be the first one to say it. Rideshare's dead. Rideshare is over. There's no more ride sharing. And it's happened. It's already happened. It's already over. So that's what I'm talking about today. I know this is probably a controversial topic. You probably click on this video and you say, "Oh, I don't agree with this guy." Thumbs down. Just listen to me first, okay? Doesn't matter if you leave the video thumbs down, whatever. Might get your anger out, but sure, just listen to me. We're gonna talk about it first. And actually, if you leave a video thumbs down, let's just maybe put that as a sign that you don't like to hear other people's thoughts. And yeah, let's just let's hear me talk about it first, and then you can decide whether or not you agree with me or not. If you agree with me, just leave it in the, or if you don't agree with me, just comment down below why you don't agree with me. So before I get into that, use the link down below for GetUpside. If you use my code and link for an app called GetUpside, you'll save up to 40 cents off per gallon the first time you fill up. And then in the future, you will always save up to 25 cents off per gallon. I use it, I've made over a couple $1,000, but you know, I've used it for like 9-10 months, so maybe even a year now. But yeah, you can start, use my code and link. I'll give you a shout out too in my next video if you do. So yeah, let's talk about it. Why is Rideshare over? Who's this guy, Dylan? Why is he claiming that Rideshare is dead? Well, I like to challenge people's thoughts. Again, my thoughts aren't, you know, very normal, very, I guess, typical, not average. I'm not your average Uber and Lyft driver. I'm an entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur. No, just kidding. I do start up a lot of businesses though. I had like 15 businesses that all failed, lost money on every single one of them. And YouTube's working out, TikTok's working out. I have over, what is it, 750,000 followers on TikTok now? Follow me on there if you want. And I'm actually going to be transitioning into more TikToks, vlogs, and gaming videos, so stay tuned for that. But also, what is it? Rideshare is dead. What do I mean by that? Well, because of COVID-19, Uber and Lyft recently announced that nobody can sit in the front seat, right? You can only have people, right now, I can only take 3 people in my car, not 4. And also, what else came with that? No more pool rides, no more Uber pool rides, and no more Lyft shared rides. So I want to ask you guys, what is rideshare? What does it mean to be a rideshare driver? Well, ride sharing is, in its simplest form, sharing a ride, right? So let's say I'm gonna pick up somebody from the airport, and this is a great example, right? Picking up 2 college students going back to UC Berkeley, right? Or to, I don't know, UCLA. I get to LAX, and they're both going there. So fundamentally, I'm gonna pick up one person, take them to UCLA, and then I'm gonna drive back, pick up that same person, and go back to UCLA. Or I'm gonna take somebody to UCLA from the airport, and another driver's gonna take somebody to the airport, to campus. That's 2 rides, right? 2 different rides. Doesn't matter if I do it, doesn't matter if another guy do it. We're both gonna do it, 2 rides. Well, Uber Pool and Lyft Shared allows those 2 passengers to share the ride. That's what ride sharing is. right? I'm taking 2 people to UCLA from LAX. Now, instead of 2 cars having to take those 2 people, only 1 car is needed, right? That's sustainability. That's, you know, saving the environment, fixing the environment. 1 less car on the road. That's ride sharing. Sometimes you can even do 3, even 4 people, all taking them back to campus, right? And a lot of those people, I've done it too. You go, you know, you get to the airport, you're going back to college. Another person has it. I went to UC Berkeley, so I would, if I saw someone with the UC Berkeley backpack on, I would go, hey, are you going back to campus? You want to share a ride? And they always go, yeah, might as well, right? Save money. But right now, because of COVID-19, you can't do that. And I don't, you know, imagine that. Oh. Oh, you're done already?
Yeah, are you on the phone or something?
No, I was like, okay, sorry, my friend came in and yeah, I'm just restarting. Basically what I was trying to say is that ride sharing is no longer, I mean, the simple fact is that if you're driving Uber and Lyft right now, you're no longer a rideshare driver. The closest thing you are is a taxi driver. You're driving around picking people up from point A to point B, and then you pick up somebody else. You're no longer a rideshare driver. That's all I really mean to say in this video, is that in the fundamental definition of ride sharing, you know, people sharing a ride, you're no longer a rideshare driver. If you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver right now, that's what I guess in the important part about this, the reason that this actually matters is because Uber and Lyft driving has changed. It's different now. You're no longer a rideshare driver. It's no longer a fun way to take people out, or to, you know, I basically signed up, not gonna lie, as like a fun way to make money, meet a lot of people, have fun. You know, you're being environmentally friendly because you know you're doing Uber and Lyft ride. I love doing pool rides, Uber pool rides and Lyft shared rides. I mean, you're being sustainable. You're helping the environment when you're allowing people to carpool more. And also you make more money during Uber pool rides because you're getting twice the amount. I mean, sure, each ride is probably less, but spending less time waiting for rides. And if you can do that, and you know, you can get more rides under your belt, so you get better bonuses, so you get more rides. Because usually bonuses are per ride, for a certain number of rides. And you can kind of double up on rides. But sorry, to continue, like now you need to wear one of these. What's this? A mask? You need to wear a mask. And you need to, you know, you're no longer a rideshare driver. So I'm just trying to say that Uber and Lyft has changed a lot, and it's no longer this fun way to make money and help the world out environmentally. You're now, you know, driving around, you're now an essential worker, driving people to the doctor, to the hospital. There's a guy who I don't know, baby was delivered during his Lyft or Uber ride. And yeah, I mean, it's just a lot different now, and it's not that fun way. So I think it's just good to know, to reflect on, if you're still driving for Uber and Lyft, think about, you know, are you still driving for the same motives and for the same goals and ambitions that you had when you first started? Why did you originally sign up? And are you still having fun? You know, you don't want to be driving and then months later you're driving around with the face mask on, taking around essential workers, and you go, wait, I signed up as a fun way to make extra money. You know, maybe look for something else to kind of so you can still enjoy it more. So I know I personally am not driving right now because I just don't really I wouldn't enjoy driving around with the face mask on, driving people around. No more Uber pool rides, no more Lyft shared rides. All right, that's all I wanted to say in today's video. Again, use the link down below for GetUpside if you want to save up to 40 cents off per gallon when you fill up gas on your first fill up. And then in the future, forever, you get up to 25 cents off per gallon when you fill up gas every single time if you go to one of the gas stations in the app down below for GetUpside. Thank you all for watching. Have a great and amazing day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.